This first sexual encounter may have been brief, but it is an important milestone on Chipadzua's eventual path to motherhood. As she surveys her turf, she seems to have a new confidence. However, there is one thing she must achieve before she's fully independent. It's time to hunt. This morning, Chip isn't wasting energy in open areas with little chance of success. She heads to a sausage tree, an ambush spot her mother preferred, and a favorite location for grazing antelope drawn to its sweet flowers. Now she waits to pounce. Timing is everything. She's finally done it. Bringing down a puku weighing more than her is a huge achievement. She finds a safe spot to enjoy her spoils. The once pampered princess has become a warrior.